Welcome to CY Middle School, where we're proud to be part of the Cyclone family.
We are some of the around 50 8th grade web leaders here at CY.
WEB stands for Where Everybody Belongs, and it is our 6th grade orientation and transition program.
We will meet with you before school and start your next year to make sure you feel welcomed, and we'll already know at least 2 8th graders that will always have your back.
We also check in with you throughout the year to make sure you're having an awesome 6th grade year.
Let's start off with our fearless leaders, our principal, Mr. Bauer, and our assistant principals, Mr. Jurgensen and Miss Mendez.
Hello, welcome to the Pride of Casper, CY Middle School. My name is Randall Bauer, and I have the privilege of leading this great school. We hope you have a great evening tonight and ask all the questions that you have. CY is about opportunities for kids, and we provide these opportunities through the lenses of pursuing excellence and building our character. We hope to see you in the fall. Have a great night tonight.
One of our core values is the idea of pursuing excellence. One of the best ways that we promote that is with our schedule. We go through a quick-paced 7-period schedule every day where kids get to learn from bell to bell. And then finally, we always push for looking for excellence in the way that we treat each other as well. So this is a great place to be in the hallways, in the commons, at sporting events. We always look for excellence in everything that we do.
Here at CY, we emphasize on build your character. Building your character is important not only to yourself, but others around you. Here at CY, we focus on being honest, trustworthy, and having courtesy towards other people. Be accountable for who you are and who you want to be. Encourage others around you to be kind and thoughtful.
CY has been meeting expectations on the State Accountability Report every year since 2017. And who do we have to thank for that? The hardworking students make CY the best school in Casper. And also the amazing teachers that guide our work. Settle down.
We have separate areas for 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade, and each grade level is separated into 2 core areas where students receive instruction in English language arts, math, social studies, and science with the same core teachers all year long.
Our Summit classes are designed to challenge our advanced students so they can show growth above and beyond. Summit classes are offered at every grade level in every core and for each of our 4 core subject areas.
Here at CY, we do inclusion in a lot of our core classrooms. Inclusion is when we have a general education teacher as well as a special education teacher in the classroom, both teachers doing instruction.
Everybody has the same opportunity to be involved.
The other nice thing is with an inclusion classroom, if students need an intervention, they benefit from that inclusion model.
We combine inquiry-based learning focused on students' interests and talents with challenging coursework and interdisciplinary projects.
Our mission is to foster curiosity and help students meet their intellectual potential as well as support them with their social and emotional growth.
从批阅小学中文项目升入初中的同学们，可以在 CY 中学继续他们的中文沉浸式学习。
这些学生在学校每天有2节课的时间学习中文。
欢迎来到我们的学校。
Many elective classes are offered at CY in career and vocational education, fine and performing arts, physical education, world languages, and other electives such as destination imagination, financial literacies, and computer science. Hey, where'd you get that cookie?
Students are making it in that class over there. You want one?
Yes, thank you.
We also have separate grade level lunches so you can relax and eat with others from your own grade level. Students can participate in a full range of athletics and activities offered here at CY. We are proud to compete as Cyclones at the district and state level through sports and academic competitions. We also offer so many before and after school activities and clubs that we are sure you'll find something you're interested in.
Another aspect of CY that makes this a great place to be is our multi-tiered systems of support. Throughout our school, you'll see every adult modeling the expected behaviors and working together with students to make sure that CY is safe, respectful, and responsible.
We hope to see you join our Cyclone family next year.